Hey guys, today's video is going to be a OBX header install on my Genesis coupe. On both sides of the engine there are two heat shields for each header, and you're going to have to go ahead and remove those with, I believe there's 4 bolts on each side. Then after that I'm going to show you what it looks like with the header now removed. That's going to be where you're going to place your new header. And straight down you'll see the downpipe that connected to the header. This is the driver's side, and you'll see a brown driver shaft that you're going to have to go ahead and move so that you could fit the header to fit in that small space. This is a comparison of the old and the new headers. I had to show the clip twice so you could really get a good look. And then you're going to place the gasket and just start installing the headers right over it. You're going to go ahead and put all 8 bolts back onto the header, and that's what it looks like installed. This is what it looks like attached to the downpipe, so it's all put together now, you can see. And then this again is the driver's side, and you can clearly see the shaft is in the way. So now I'm putting back all the plastic protective panels underneath, and that's pretty much it. I'm just showing you kind of what it looks like. And don't forget to reconnect the O2 sensors. I didn't forget to do that, but I did forget to record it. So yeah, it was a pretty easy install. I highly recommend it. It's really fun.